Hello everyone, thanks for all your hard work so far. This is just a quick video check-in. I just want to put out there, of course, if you have any questions, you can always feel free to reach out to me via email. We can set up a time to talk, but so far people are really doing great in this course. I don't really have any concerns, and I'm really happy that you've all taken advantage of doing the assignments in a timely fashion. So this week, of course, you're supposed to submit your resume or CV. I just wanted to share mine. This is I think it's my current resume actually, and it is pretty simple. So this format I think is pretty easy to use. Mine doesn't fit on one page, of course, because I have to have the information about my academic and healthcare experience on here, but yours might be able to fit on one page, and that's totally fine. I suggest either 1 or 2 pages at the most, and list out what you think is important first. So for me, my most important segments of information is my leadership experience, of course, and then my academic, and then following would be my educational experience. So use this format, use a different format, whatever works best for you. The goal of this assignment is just to make sure that you have something ready by the time you graduate, and then you can build off of it in the future. All right. So you've been working through the course content, so everything looks good so far. Of course, this week you have to submit your resume, and how you do that is, of course, you click here and then submit it right here. All right, you would submit it just right here. Pretty easy. You can leave me notes in here too if you need to. All right, next thing I want to quickly talk about is jumping into next week's information. There is a lot of information regarding APA presentations, and I want to put a disclosure out there. This is APA 6th edition, as it says right here. It's not the 7th edition. That was recently updated this year. So for the next course, people will get an update on the 7th edition. If you want more information on APA 7th edition, reach out to me. I'm happy to set up a time, but there's a lot of differences, and I don't want to over-challenge you with some of the components of it, which is not totally pertinent to communication, but there's a lot of information in here. There's actually a sample paper for your APA style, which you can use. So the goal of this chapter or this week is to pick a topic and then start doing research on that topic, because of course you know when your legal research project is due, right? Find that out in the course syllabus area and then course content. So you have a little while to prepare, but you want to pick a topic that you can find information on, just like it says right here, and then also something hopefully related to dental hygiene. Once you figure out your topic, I really need you to email me so I know. That way, if you run into any issues, I can help you out. So, really simple to email me, pwilliam. It's williams@pmi.edu. I'm sure you're aware of that because it's in the My PMI mail section and also in the instructors section. So, I jump into APA Style 6 in this video. I talk about Google Scholar in this video. And then, of course, you continue your Week 6 review questions and discussion board, which I think will be very helpful for you as time goes on to bounce ideas off of other students. But overall, I would say people are doing very well. You're taking advantage of what you need to take advantage of in regards to getting full credit for the course. People are asking me questions when they should. You know, everything looks really, really good. I'm going to open the course schedule really quickly as we wrap up this short video. So we're jumping into, of course, Week 6. So research APA paper topic and find references. So the goal is to find 5 to 7 references this week. That way you don't have to continue to do that when you build your paper. Let's continue to look down. You have a midterm exam next week. Next week is your midterm exam. So I think that is super, super important to remember. Midterm exam next week. So some of you might be worried about that. I would not, because a lot of it is, of course, it's open book because you're taking these tests from your computer, but I'll put a little blurb out there about the midterm exam. week after next here pretty soon, because it starts at 11:15. So if you're looking at this video on the 8th, you have another week for your midterm exam. The midterm exam opens the week of 11:15, just to clarify, because starting on Sunday, the 11/8 is week 6. All right, we're running through the semester pretty quickly. Lots of great information that's been discussed. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'm happy to talk through anything, and I'm really excited about reading your papers here coming up, and I'm excited to see your grade once the midterm exam is posted on 11/15. Thanks so much. Hope you have a great day. Again, reach out if you need anything.